The EmTechWIKI is a socially curated discovery engine to discover tools, tutorials, and resources. Anyone is welcome to add or edit any of the wiki resources that already exist. This will only make the wiki better for users. This tutorial will deal with adding tools and resources to EmTechWIKI. First, open a browser and then navigate to the EmTechWIKI site at suny.edu/emtech. If you have found a new technology that is not yet in the wiki, or if you wish to modify or improve on information about an item in the wiki, hover over Contribute and then click on EmTechWIKI Guidelines to acquaint yourself with the rules for adding content to the wiki. Remember, you must take personal responsibility for what you add. If you wish to continue, please hover over Contribute once again and then click on EmTechWIKI Instructions. Here, you will find all the information necessary to add a new tool or to modify one that already exists. If you believe you have found a new tool and wish to add it to the EmTechWIKI, hover over Contribute again and click on Add a Tool. The first step you need to do is identify your resource by entering a title. For example, I will add Glogster. Next, you will need to describe what the tool is, how it works, and any other information you can add to help users understand the resource. Be as specific as you can be. Once you have added your description, navigate to the Categories box on the right-hand side of your screen. Pick all of the categories you think pertain to the resource. Because Glogster is an interactive and collaborative poster, I will choose Blogs and Wikis, Collaborative Spaces, Photos and Images, and Presentations. I will then go to Keywords underneath the Categories box and click on the key terms I believe Glogster is associated with. I will select Blogs, Collaboration, Images, and Presentations. For the Objectives box, please click whatever sections you believe are appropriate. Remember, just do your best to organize the tool. The wiki moderators will go in after the submission of your tool or resource and check to make sure that all pertinent information was given. When you are finished, click on the Submit for Review button. Modifying a tool works the same way, as it gives you an opportunity to add to the information provided for existing tools. If you wish to add anything, just click on one of the existing tools in the list and then add the information. Click on Submit Revision. It will once again be reviewed by the wiki moderators. The EmTechWIKI can only become better at helping you locate what you are looking for if everyone plays a part to accurately add, edit, and classify EmTechWIKI content.